Hey y'all, this is Joe with the customer experience team at Rad Power Bikes. May is National Bike Month, and there's no better time to try out commuting by bike. I can personally attest to the benefits, and it really is one of the best parts of my day. Research has shown that cycling has both physical and mental benefits. It promotes cardiovascular health, muscle growth, and decreases stress. Coincidentally, these are all things that sitting in a car in traffic won't do for you. While the benefits of biking abound, we know that there are some common barriers that prevent folks from jumping in the saddle. We're here to talk about how e-bikes can help overcome those. The first argument is really a philosophical one. You have to want to ride your bike to work. If getting in your car is second nature to you, you'll have to shift your thinking. One way to do this is to start slow and see how it suits you. Add a couple of days of commuting by bike every month and work up from there. Weather is another factor that can be a deal breaker for riding. Gear is absolutely key, especially where we live in the Pacific Northwest. Fenders are essential for riding in the rain, and layers are important for the many temperaments of Mother Nature. E-bikes allow you to wear rain gear without overheating, and in hotter weather, pedal assistance from the motor will prevent you from arriving to work covered in sweat. If it's exercise you're interested in, an e-bike can be a great tool to not only help you ease into your workday, but into a fitness regimen as well. With variable levels of pedal assistance, you can rely on the motor to get to work on time in the morning, then turn the assistance down or off on the ride home to help build up your stamina. If the only thing stopping you from biking to work is that giant hill in front of you, by all means, leverage the assist. If safety is your primary concern and you're worried about what it's like riding in traffic, again, this is where easing into it will help. Start on bike paths, trails, and protected bike lanes wherever they're available. Get your bearings, train the eyes in the back of your head, and most importantly, always wear a helmet. Biking shouldn't be intimidating. It should be a fun, easy way to get out of the car and into the outdoors. Keep riding rad and stay tuned for the next video.